Hey everyone, welcome back to another recipe here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Today we are making chicken tortilla soup. So, action!
Okay, so we're starting off with 2 packages of boneless, skinless tenderloins. So a couple pounds. I've just cubed them up.
In a Dutch oven on medium heat, we're adding 3 tablespoons of olive oil.
About 3 tablespoons. You can add a little more if you need to.
And then 1 diced medium sweet onion. Stir that around good in the olive oil.
We like them sweet onions. So we're going to just saute those up till they become translucent. And then I've taken those chicken tenderloins and I've just cubed them up. And I'm going to put them in because I like them like chunks. Now, you could use shredded chicken if you want, but I really like the chunks. So we're just going to cook these until all the pink is gone. Brown them up a little bit.
Now 1 packet of taco seasoning mix. And sprinkle that in.
And you could use any kind you want. I just like the Ortega here, but they have the low sodium. And I always like to season the meat.
It's nothing like having some good soup, especially when it's so cold outside.
Oh, I know. It's so cold. Freezing. We've had 2 snow days. We've been snowed in. All right, so we're going to cover this, and we're going to let that brown up a little bit. Oh, yeah, that looks good. So all the pink is gone. Then we're going to add
2 zucchinis, sliced up.
I really like to use zucchini because it doesn't change the flavor of whatever you're putting it in. It has bulk to it, and it's great to use in any kind of soup, but it doesn't change the flavor.
And 1 can of tomato, green pepper, and onions, diced.
And you can buy that just like that. And then
1 can of rotel tomato and cilantro.
That'll give it a little bit of kick. And then 2 cans of just your regular mild
tomato and green chilies. Yeah, get all that out of there, Jen.
I'm working on it.
1 can of black beans.
Gotta have some beans. And then
1 can of sweet corn.
Love sweet corn.
If you got a can, you can do it.
That's right. All right, we're just going to mix this up. Get it all mixed together here.
I'm going to cover that up.
And we're going to let that simmer for about 15 minutes. And then we will check it.
Oh, look at that. Look at the steam.
Yeah,
oh,
looks delicious.
It's so good. When I see all those colors, you know it has a lot of flavor.
Absolutely. Starts breaking down the tomatoes and everything.
Now add 2 boxes of chicken broth.
And these are about 4 cups in each one of these boxes. So 8 cups in total.
You can freeze a lot of this too.
Oh, yeah.
If you have any left over.
You could freeze it. You can also can it and have, rainy day, cold day, snow day, whatever. Have some soup.
Here goes the 2nd box.
Yeah. This is a big Dutch oven here, so. But I want leftovers.
This Dutch oven is the right size for this soup.
Absolutely. All right. So I'm just going to mix this together a little bit. And then,
here comes Jen's fave, red pepper.
I love adding just a little bit of red pepper flakes to any soup or stew or anything. I just like a little bit of kick, and that red pepper flake will do it every time.
Stir all that together. Cover and simmer on low for 15 minutes.
Yeah, we'll get that covered and we'll check back.
Look at that. Let's dish some of this up. Can't wait.
Oh yeah, look at that. Yum. That looks delicious.
I love zucchini.
I do too. You can make this soup creamier, but I really like the broth style soup.
And chicken. And topped with sour cream and some
green onions.
Then we're going to add some Mexican blend shredded cheese.
Love that cheese. You know how we are about cheese. And when you mix all this in, it's going to thicken the soup up also, more of a creamy. I use crispy onions on every kind of soup there is. I use it on salads and everything.
And you
but
put
these
those
are great.
in any soup. That gives it a little crunch. Add some tortilla chips. Okay, let's eat. I'm ready.
Well, as Steve would say, is this the best chicken tortilla soup? If it ain't, it ought to be. We'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.
Well, that's Shishi and Jen, them two girls having too much fun. We hope you enjoy this recipe, and we really hope you subscribe to our channel. That's easy. Little Shotgun Red's face will pop up over here in a little bit. When you click on it, it'll say subscribe, then you're subscribed. Next to it will be a little notification bell. If you click that little bell, then YouTube will send you every single one of our recipes or a notification that we posted one as soon as it comes out. See you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Is this the best? If it ain't, it ought to be.
If it ain't, it ought to be. And we'll see you next time right here on Cooking with Shotgun Red. Bye.